In this video, you can learn how to remove redirecting a domain in GoDaddy. So let's start the video tutorial. Once we log into GoDaddy hosting account, we need to go to the My Products page. And in this page, we need to scroll down to the web hosting section and click Manage button. Next, in this page, we need to click cPanel Admin button, which will bring us to the cPanel Settings page. In cPanel Settings page, we need to click and enter the Redirects section. In the Redirects page, we need to scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, all the redirects set up will be visible. We will remove this domain redirection to this domain. All we need to do is click this Delete link. Again, we will be asked to confirm removing the domain redirection. And done. The domain redirects have been removed permanently in GoDaddy. That's it for this video. Like, comment, share the video, and subscribe for more video updates.